So for this video, I'm going to show you all how to compute a standard deviation using the calculator. This is very useful for you guys who are going to go on and take stats whenever you end up doing that. So what we're going to do is go into stat and then access the list editor by picking this edit key. And in here, we're going to type in the values for our data set, which would be those 4 presidential ages. It's pretty easy to plug in here, so I left this step in the video. Normally, I'd edit it out, but there's only 4 values here, so it works pretty well. And for that matter, this is also a nice one for computing it by hand, so that you know how to do that. But generally, I wouldn't expect you to do this by hand, especially not with more values than 4. Anyway, once you got those 4 things in there, you hit stat again, and go over to calculations and select one variable stats, where the list we're going to run on is list 1. Don't mess with the frequency list option, and then we hit calculate. And from here, it spits out a whole bunch of numbers, including the mean, a bunch of sum things. If we scroll down, we get something called a 5-number summary down here. Don't worry about what that is for this class, but you can see that we get the median at the very least. Big thing we need is that value Sx, where here we get that the standard deviation, as expected, is 2.16. Understand that we also get a value sigma. That's the population standard deviation. It's a bit of a different computation. Don't worry about it for this class, but bear in mind that it's there, because when you take 2023, you will be seeing it again.